MyPoints review. Hey there and welcome to this video where I'm going to be doing a review on MyPoints.com, explaining to you how MyPoints works and explaining to you how much money you can actually make by leveraging MyPoints. So MyPoints.com is a GPT website, which just stands for Get Paid To. So as you can see here, there are three different ways to earn. You can do shopping where you get cash back. You can do surveys, which is the most popular option on their site. And then there's also fun and games where you can download mobile games, play those games, and you get rewards. Now, my issue with websites like this is that you really earn a very small amount of money for the time that you put in. These surveys can take anywhere from 30 minutes up to an hour, and they'll pay you probably at most right now about $1. However, if you are somebody who is just looking to make a small amount of money in your spare time, maybe you're looking to make an extra $20 or $30 per month, then MyPoints might be a good option for you. Now, this website is totally legitimate. They are owned by a large parent company called Protege, and they own websites like Swagbucks. As you can see, it's also owned by Protege. Swagbucks is another Get Paid To website that is probably the biggest one in the world. They operate on a similar premise where you basically get paid again to complete surveys, to get cash back on your grocery shopping, or to download mobile apps and play games. So again, if you're looking to make just $1, $2 per day, maybe $5 in a day, it really is hard to make more money than that, especially because there's not an unlimited amount of surveys to do, right? You can't just sit there for 20 hours a day completing surveys and getting paid. There's only a limited amount of surveys, and it really depends on where you are based in the world. If you're in a first world English-speaking country, this is probably not at all worth your time. However, if you're in somewhere like Thailand, the Philippines, or somewhere like that, this might be a great option for you to actually earn a little bit of money on the side without it taking all day for you and without it really being that hard, right? You can totally do this from just your mobile phone or a laptop. So if you are from those countries, I think why not? Why not sign up to MyPoints and give it a shot? However, like I said, if you're in a first world country or an affluent English-speaking country, a website like MyPoints.com is totally not at all worth your time. If you want to see how I am able to make a full-time income from my phone and from my laptop, I will leave a link in the description to a completely free training that you can go ahead and check out that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing. That might be something for you if you're somebody who's looking to join MyPoints to actually earn some additional income and you're in a first world country, for example, then affiliate marketing might be your best bet. Because with a very small investment, you're able to make a very large, even a full-time income if you're willing to put the effort in. Again, totally recommend you go ahead and check that out. And also, MyPoints.com, 100% legitimate, but I do not think that it is worth your time if you're somebody who's looking to make hundreds or thousands of dollars in a day or in a month. So with that being said, if you like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments your experience with MyPoints, and let me know where you're watching this around the world. I really would like to know. I want to know what type of people are signing up to MyPoints, where you're located, and why you're even looking into joining MyPoints. Let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe you're just looking to supplement your income, or maybe you're in one of these countries that it's really hard to earn a lot of money, and even getting an additional $30 per month is worth it for you. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I look forward to reading you guys' comments and getting back to you as soon as I can.